Hello, my name is Fabio Rodriguez and this is the second project of the course, the Wikipedia project. In this project we have an encyclopedia with many entries and you can access an entry searching for its name in the URL. For example, Git, you obtain the Git page. If you search for CSS, you obtain the CSS page, but if you search for an entry that doesn't exist, you obtain an error. At the home page, we have all entries listed. And if you click in one of these entries, you can be redirected to the entry page directly. We also have the search functionality. With the search functionality, you search for an entry like this, Python, and you obtain the entry. If you search for an entry that doesn't exist, you will get an error. But if you search for a text, we select for you the entries that contains this text as a substring. For example, if you search for O, you obtain the Django and Python. You also can create new entries. Every entry has a title and a Markdown content. In this case, we have two kinds of validation: the server and the user validation. The user validation is like this, and this field must be fulfilled. For example, it, and this content also can be fulfilled. And in the server, we have another kind of validation. We have a validation for the name. If the name already exists, you will obtain this error, and you can type a name that exists in the encyclopedia, that doesn't exist in the encyclopedia, and you can save this name and be redirected to the new page that you just created. In every page, you can edit the Markdown content. That is the content that appears to you in the HTML of the entry page, and you can this course italic, and you can save changes and obtain the new entry page. We also have the functionality of the random page. With this function, we can get a page randomly selected in the encyclopedia, clicking in this. And finally, for each entry, you can edit the Markdown content. And the Markdown content is a Markdown code that, using the Markdown library in Python, can be converted to HTML and show to us in the entry page as HTML. Well, this is it. Thank you all.